Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you might be wondering how to move your Litecoin from Revolut to your Phantom wallet, especially with the updates coming in 2025. This process is straightforward, but it's always good to follow a clear guide to avoid any hiccups. By the end of this video, you'll have your Litecoin transferred securely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Revolut account with Litecoin in it, and a Phantom wallet installed on your device. Phantom is a popular wallet for Solana and other cryptos, so double-check that it's linked to your email or phone for security. Also, remember that crypto transfers involve fees and aren't instantaneous, so plan accordingly. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and log in. Head over to the Crypto section. It's usually at the bottom of the screen. Once there, find your Litecoin balance and select it. You'll see an option to send or withdraw. Go ahead and tap that. Step 2. Now, you'll need to enter the recipient's address. Open your Phantom wallet app, go to the wallet section, and copy the Litecoin address. Make sure you're using the correct network. For Litecoin, it's typically the Litecoin network, not Ethereum or Solana. Paste this address into the Revolut send field, and double-check it to avoid any errors. That's crucial. Step 3. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to send. Revolut will show you the estimated fees, so keep an eye on that. Once you're happy, hit confirm and authorize the transaction with your Revolut PIN or biometrics. After that, sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, open your Phantom wallet and refresh it. You should see your Litecoin arrive. A quick tip. Always start with a small test amount to ensure everything works smoothly. And remember, crypto is volatile, so only transfer what you're comfortable with. If you run into issues, like a failed transaction, check your addresses and networks first. There you have it. You've successfully sent Litecoin from Revolut to Phantom wallet. This method keeps your assets more secure and gives you greater control. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.